In this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN Fantasy draft not loading. So for that, first of all, simply check your Wi-Fi connection, make sure that it's stable, or you could switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. The next thing that you can do is simply press and hold on to the Fantasy app icon, click on App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will find Clear Data and Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cache written in bright red. After that, what you'll have to ensure is that you'll have to turn off any ad blockers, proxy or VPN turned on. The next thing is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ESPN Fantasy Sports. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And even after all of this, if it's still not working, then simply press and hold on to the Fantasy app icon. Click on uninstall, confirm it, and then download the app again, and you'll have to log in again. And it should start working. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.